Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most unique and fascinating animals in the world, the giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, reaching heights of up to 5 meters. Let's dive in and learn more about these amazing creatures. In the heart of the African savanna, there lives an iconic and majestic creature. This animal is the giraffe, the king of the savanna. With its long neck and large body, the giraffe is the most recognizable animal in the savanna. Giraffes have several distinct characteristics. First, they have extremely long necks, reaching up to 1.5 meters. This allows them to reach leaves on tall trees that other animals can't access. They also have large eyes and long ears, which help them detect predators from a distance. Giraffes are herbivorous animals that live in the African savanna. They have long necks and large bodies, which enable them to reach high branches on trees. Giraffes also have large eyes and long ears, which help them detect predators and find food. Giraffes live in savannas and open woodlands in Africa. They feed on leaves, fruits, and flowers from trees. Giraffes also have unique bacteria in their stomachs that help them digest cellulose from plants. Giraffes are social animals that live in groups. They usually live in groups consisting of several female giraffes and their young. Male giraffes typically live alone or in groups consisting of several other male giraffes. Giraffes are social animals that live in small groups. They have a complex social hierarchy, with dominant giraffes leading the group. Giraffes also communicate with each other through a variety of sounds and body language. Unfortunately, giraffes are threatened by habitat destruction, poaching, and climate change. Therefore, we must work to conserve giraffes and their habitats. We can support conservation organizations that work to protect giraffes and their habitats. That's it for today's video about giraffes. We hope you learned something new and interesting about these amazing animals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.